Hi everybody, Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an image search on Google. But this is not the regular image search most of you probably know already. This is an advanced Google search, and once you learn how to do it, you'll be able to find any image, even the most abstract image on the internet. For the ones don't know me yet, I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. Watch the full video so you don't miss anything, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. This is something that happened to me very often. When I'm doing my vinyl decal research, I have to consider many aspects of the decal I want to target. One of them, and I think the most important, is the design or the image I want to start selling. It's like anybody else. When you are surfing the web and you find a really cool image and you say, hey, I love this image, I have to download it for sure. And you want to print it out or make a sticker for your laptop, you definitely want that image. But then you find out that that image has a really low quality and it's not gonna look good when you print it out. So you go to Google and do a regular image search, and you cannot find the image you want. And that's when the Google image reverse search saves the day. Let me show you an example. Okay, so I'm here on my eBay account, and I have few images, few decals I want to target because I see that they're selling really good. So for example, this image, I go to the listing and I check all the details on the listing, right? I see that it's selling really good, and definitely I want this image, right? So in order to sell or in order to make this decal, I have to have the image itself, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to search this image on Google. Let's say this image has a bad quality, which is not right because, well, this is not a bad quality, right? But let's say it's really bad quality, but I really want it, I really need it, I want to make money with this image, right? So what I do is based on the title, what I do is I do a regular Google search, right? So I copy the title and I go to google.com and I paste the title here and do the search. So then I go to images, and as you can see, there's only one result I have here, and it's probably the same one I was looking at. No, it's a different site, but the quality is not so good. So, and then you see here I have a bunch of other results, but none of them is the one I need. They are similar results, but not the one I need. So most of the time you have to stick with the only one result, or sometimes you don't even find not even one result. So what I'm gonna show you, the advanced search, it allows you to do an advanced and really deep search about the image you want. And let's say this image is almost unique, so you're gonna have a hard time finding it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is called Google image reverse search. So you go to this one. This is the one. This is the Google image reverse search. And if you notice right here, the difference between the two search is that here on the reverse search you have this little camera icon. So in the regular search you have no camera icon here, because the advanced or reverse search allows you to upload the picture you want to find. And that's really cool and really helpful, because sometimes you see an image on the street, not even in your phone or your laptop, and you definitely want that image, but you can find it anywhere, and you took a picture with your phone, but then you don't know how to call it, you don't know what's the name of the image, but you really want it. So here you have two options. You can paste the image URL, or you can upload the image. So for me, the easiest way is to just paste the image URL, because I already have it here. So the way you get the image URL, it's you go to the image and right click, and you copy the image address, okay, and then you go to the reverse search, and then you just Control V and paste the address of the image on the internet. Whoever is hosting that image, they will find it. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of results, and not only one like the last regular search I did. You have so many options, and this is the right image. This is the image you really want. So and this quality is much better, definitely. So this type of advanced search is really cool, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really helpful for you guys. So give it a try, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comments below. So okay, this is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.